Hi there, this is going to be a quick video on the Dango Estate, a kind of a tutorial in regards to real estate investing. It's a peer-to-peer, if you're familiar with Lending Club, all that kind of stuff. Focuses on loan investment. It's very simple. Through notes, you take a percentage out of that note and you can earn up to 10% daily on your real estate investment, as they say here. Going a little bit further here, it's a 30-second sign up, very simple to do. Gain instant access to your pre-vetted real estate investment opportunities, useful portfolio management tools, and professional resources. And you view and choose curated pre-vetted projects, build your portfolio from our curated pre-screened real estate projects, and you can review the financials, photos, appraisals, and documents related to that project all in one page. This is focused on rehab projects. Keep that in mind. There is risk involved, of course. You transfer funds, deposit funds via Perfect Money and or Bitcoin. You can get a transfer of funds from an existing Dango Estate investor as well. Accounts are secured by bank level security, pretty standard stuff. And of course, investing only takes just a little bit here, up to 60 seconds, and we streamline the process very simply. And you can receive up to 10% daily distributions and monitor the progress of your projects right through your account. We'll be getting right into that here in just a second. Just a little bit of an overview for the borrowers. It's a 1 to 5 minute loan applications, discuss the opportunity, fill out loan application documents, formal loan application with personal property and loan details, and then they go and they kind of clear through all that process here. We'll conduct our due diligence processing, go through the necessary documents, appraisals, and paperwork, so they make sure it's just as streamlined for the borrower as well as the investor, in particular of the individual notes. You don't have to invest in the whole project full scale. You can invest as much or as little as you like. Of course, that will affect your percentage. Simple, easy here, 5 to 10% daily and short-term investments. There's no charge on any investor fees. You can minimize your risk by diversifying deals to invest for as little as $30 per deal. Diversifying into residential real estate has never been this easy or fun. You can trust us, and then they go into more details here. Feel good, do good. Investment helps rebuild communities, and a 24/7 access to your account, of course. Quick, easy sign-up process, which takes less than 30 seconds. And with 30-day investments, you can easily diversify and keep rolling your capital interest into new loans. Be a part of the 2.3 trillion residential real estate investment asset class without digging too far into the opportunities. And of course, the biggest benefit here is you're not going to be spending thousands and thousands of dollars just for one project, putting a lot of risk on you. This is just a open entrance here to an account. As you can see here, this is what your account dashboard is going to look like. You get the principal outstanding, you get the available funds, earnings, $1 million package investments, and the annual interest rate, estimated annual interest yield, and then it just breaks down. And when you obviously work through all of this here, you're going to see this start updating and what's going on. Of course, there's multiple different things here. You got account settings, you got my investments, my earnings, my referrals, manage funds updates, and help desk. As you can see here, if you had an investment actively open, it would pop up right here, and you get different updates that you can click into. You got the My Earnings tab. It's very simple here. You can see how much you've earned at this point. Nothing too complicated. You got the My Referrals. As you can see here, refer to earn commission. You'll get a percentage of that commission. Just read the terms of service and all of that stuff to get an idea of how that works. And the best part, you got deposit funds, withdrawal funds, transfer funds, and a automatic withdrawal in the process of being set up. So that'll be a nice little handy thing. It'll kind of be an automated thing, so nothing to pay too close attention to. And it's more specifically all the updates for your particular projects you're in. And if you have any questions, you can send a simple ticket out, and then all the ticket responses will pop up right here. It's just some different investments here. You can invest for as little as a 30-day term. You can go further if you'd like. But a lot of these focus on just 30 days, so you don't have to spend a lot of money and a lot of time, and it's a pretty quick term here. You don't have to stick with it for years like some projects you might see in some real estate websites. That about sums up the website. Thanks for listening in.